Thank you in Japanese. ごめん、ごめんね、ごめんなさい。Hey guys, I'm Minaka. Today I am going to explain solid words. Difference between solid words. ごめん、ごめんね、ごめんなさい。So look at this. More casual, more polite. So between ごめん、ごめんね、ごめんなさい. ごめん is the most casual word. Next, ごめんね is more polite than ごめん. But ごめんなさい is the most polite among ごめん、ごめんね、ごめんなさい. So we normally say ごめん to my friends or my family, but ごめんなさい we normally say to our seniors. すみません。申し訳ございません。すみません。It is very polite and we only say すみません in business. 申し訳ございません. This word is very, very, very polite compared to すみません. So we say 申し訳ございません in business, only in business. So we've learned solid words. ごめん、ごめんね、ごめんなさい very casual. ありがとう。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございました。Thank you in Japanese. So look at this graph. So current in casual way, we normally say ありがとう. In formal way, current think ありがとうございます. So past tense, we normally say ありがとうございました. So they all mean thank you, but they're different with casual way or formal way. Okay? ありがとう very casual. ありがとうございます very formal. ありがとうございました it is past tense. Alright, bye!